Hi, this is rture, and in this video I'm going to update you on the Bitcoin price action this weekend. Let's start the analysis with the daily chart. On the daily chart we can see that there is a bearish divergence forming on Bitcoin, so that means Bitcoin is losing some strength. And on the current candle over here, we can see that there is some selling pressure. That is not super surprising because Bitcoin is at a high time frame resistance, as you can see here, but it doesn't mean that it will pull back further. If it pulls back further based on this divergence, I will be looking for longs in the region around 42k and above 38k. So that will be important if Bitcoin pulls back. But let's zoom in and see what's happening on the lower time frames. So in front of me I have a liquidation chart, and below price there are long liquidations, and above price you can see some short liquidations. But price action this weekend shows a typical barred pattern where price goes up, chops around a little bit, and then dumps directly. So a lot of longs have been stopped out since they were longing this breakout. There was some aggression from the sell side that stopped these longs out. Of course, there are still some long liquidations below, but on that drop also shorts have been piling up. So from here it could go either ways if you only consider the liquidation data. But we have to take both of these scenarios into account. So from the bullish standpoint, you would say, okay, this is a retest. And if buyers step in, this is where you want to long for the trend continuation. So far, Bitcoin hasn't confirmed that the buyers are stepping in. So I think it would be safer to say that price probably retraces down to these support levels, but hopefully buyers step in and Bitcoin can continue the trend upward. If it doesn't, look for these supports below. This one is at 45,000. This one is at 42,500. And here's that zone from the higher time frames I'm looking at. So for now, trade safe during the weekend. Make sure your stops are in place. And maybe if you are up in profits, take some profits. If you need further help, just join our Discord. You can find it through the birbnest.com/discord, and we'll answer your questions there if you have any for us. Have a good weekend.